Yes, children. Today I am going to tell you about the quadratic equation. So, a equation which is written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This equation is called quadratic equation. Why? Because its degree is 2. Okay. Now, how you will solve it? So, to solve it, Sridharachar has given the value, how you will find out the value of x. So, according to him, here the coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x is b, and constant term is c. So, the value of x will be find out by this formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula which was given by Sridharacharya to solve for x. Okay. Now how you will apply it, I am taking one example for it so that you can easily understand how you will apply it. So let us suppose that the question is 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Suppose the question is this: 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. And in examination it is asked that solve this quadratic equation by using the formula. So first of all you will compare this with this quadratic equation. To compare it, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Clear? Now compare it. Here it is x square, here is a, here 2. So what is the value of a? A is 2. Clear? Now here x is there, here is also x, so they are like terms, but here it is plus b, it is minus 7, so b will be minus 7. Clear? Now here constant term is c, here constant is 6, so value of c is 6. So first of all we will find out the values of a, b and c. Clear? Now after finding the value, we will put these values in this equation with proper sign. So b is 7, minus b is already there, so put minus 7 plus minus under root b is minus 7 minus 4 into a is 2, c is 6. Clear? Upon 2 into a. So now simplify. Minus minus, it will become plus, so minus minus will become 7 plus minus under root 7 square is 49 minus 4 to the 8, 8 6 ja 48 upon 2 to the 4. Now this will be 7 plus minus 49 minus 1, 1 will come, the square root of 1, write 1 upon 4. So this is the values of x. So here two values of x are possible. First value will be 7 plus 1 upon 4. Second value will be 7 minus 1 upon 4. Clear? Now further simplify it. You will get this is equal to 8 upon 4 and this is 6 upon 4. This is 2, this is 3y. So these are the two possible values of x. Clear? This is how you will utilize the formula for solving it. Now I am taking one more question for you so that it should be clear to you all. Okay children? Okay. So should I rub it? Okay. Now taking the next one, you should note down if you are interested. Otherwise I am going to rub this. So this is the formula given by Dharacharya for solving the values of x. Now next question is x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x minus 3 upon x minus 4 equal to 3 1 by 3. Let's recheck the question. X minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x minus 3 upon x minus 4 equal to 3 1 by 3. Now you have to solve it. Okay, you have to find out the value of x. So what will you do? Because it is a fraction, you can see fractions are there. This is numerator, this is denominator, numerator, denominator. This is a mixed fraction. So first we will simplify. Take the LCM. What will be the LCM? X minus 2 and here it is x minus 4. Clear? Okay, now divide it. So when you will divide it by x minus 2, x minus 4 will come, then multiply it. So this will be x minus 1 and this will be x minus 4 plus divide this by this, x minus 4 will be cancelled out. So what will be left? X minus 3 and here x minus 2 and this will be 3 3 are 9 and 10 by. So till here it is clear to you all. Any problem? No. So x minus 1, x minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 2 upon x minus 2, x minus 4 equal to 10 by 3. Now simple multiplication is there. So 1 by 1 multiply it and write it. So we can do it directly because you are in class 10, so you can write it directly. X into x, it will be x square, then x into this, minus x will come, then take minus 4x, and this is minus 1, this is minus 4, so it will become plus 4. Clear? Now similarly open this bracket. So what will come? X into x, x square, minus 3x, then minus 2x, plus 6 upon. Similarly multiply this, so what will come? X square minus 2x minus 4x plus 4 to the 8. This is equal to 10 upon. Clear, children? Next, now simplify it further. These are term x square, both are positive, they will be added to it will be 2x2. Now this is minus 1, minus 4, minus 5 or 3, minus 8 and minus 8 and minus 2, it will be minus 10x twice, minus 10x. Because all terms are minus, so they will be added. Now this is 4, constant term 4, here is 6, both are positive, it will be added, it will be 10. So what is there? 2x square minus 10x plus 10. Clear? Now simplify below in your denominator. So x square minus 2 minus 4 will become minus 6. This will be plus 8 equal to 10 upon 3. Now you can not solve it further, so write this. So what is the value? 2x square minus 10x plus 10 upon x square minus 6x plus 8 upon 10 upon 3. Now how will you solve it? So in your previous classes, I think you have solved it in class 9th, 8th. So do cross multiplication. This 3 will come on this side, this 10 will come on this side, then we will simplify to get the value of x. To simplify, so write by cross product rule. What will will come? 3, then write in bracket 2x2 minus 10x plus 10 equal to, this is 10 multiplied by x square minus 6x plus, clear? Now multiply it. What will come? Open it, 3 2 is 6x square minus 30x plus 30 equal to, this will be 10x square minus 60x plus 80. So this is the equation. Now transfer the equation on one side. What we will get? So look here, this is 6x square minus 30x plus 30 minus, sign will be changed to 10x square plus 60x minus 80 equal to 0. Because we know that whenever we transfer the values from one hand to the another hand, means from left hand side to the right hand side or vice versa, their signs are changed. So first I have written this 6x square minus 30x plus 30. Transfer this on this side, so this is plus, it will become minus, this is minus, so it will become plus, this is plus, so this will become minus, and that equal to 0. Now you just collect. This is x square, this is x square. They are the like terms, so addition or subtraction will take place here. So minus 10x plus 6. So this is bigger, so what will come? This will come minus 4x square. Clear? Okay. Now next is collect the like term x. This is x, this is x. So this is plus 60x, this is minus 30. What will be left? 30x. Clear? So this is 30x. Now here, look here. This is a constant term, this is a constant term, this is bigger, so sign will be there, 50 equal to 0. So after solving, after collecting the like terms and doing the operation, we will get this equation. Minus 4x square plus 30x minus 50 equal to 0. Clear? Now what will we do? We can easily divide it by minus 2. Okay, because minus 2, this will become plus, so it will be easier for us to do the calculation. Divide all the terms by minus 2. What will be there? It will be 2x2 minus 15x plus 25 equal to 0. Dividing each term by minus. So this is our equation, 2x square minus 15x plus 25 equal to 0. Now we will find problem in, though we can solve it by factorization also, but because in the question it is given that apply the formula. Okay, so we will use the formula for finding out the values of x. So do it. Now should I rub this? All of you note down? Okay, note down. I am giving you 1 minute time, note down, then I will tell you further. So compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, which is our quadratic equation. This is our quadratic equation. Now we will compare this equation. You can say it as equation 1. Okay, and this as equation 2. Now doing comparison between 1 and 2. What will we get? A equal to 2, B equal to minus 50 and C equal to 25. These are the values of A, B and C. Do it till here. Okay? Till here it is clear? Okay, you note down? Okay, now I am rubbing it. till here I will grab, so that those who have not done, they will do that part also. Now use the formula. What is the formula? The value formula is this: x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Clear? Now put the values of a, b, c from here. So it will be minus 50 plus minus under root b square. So b minus 15 square minus 4 into a is 2, then c is 25. Now upon 2 into a is 2. Now minus minus will become plus, plus minus under root b square. 15 square is 225 minus 4 to the 8. 8 and 25 multiply. So what will come? You just turn 25 into 8. 25 for the 100 for, so it will come 200. Clear? 1, 4. Should I have? So now solve it further. You will get plus minus. Okay. So what 225 minus what? This will be 25 upon 4. Now find the square root. 15 plus minus 5 upon 4. So two values are there. So I am going to tell you one. First we will take the plus value. Second we will take the minus value, and we will get the value. Say x equal to 15 plus 5 upon 4, then 15 minus 5 upon 4. So what will come? 20 upon 4, then 10 upon 4. So these are the two values of x. Clear, children? Okay, now do in your copy. Then I will give you more questions how to solve it. Okay? I will take one more questions to solve. Formula you should learn it. Okay? Pen is not working. Remove the pen. Done? Okay. Now I'm going to take one more question so that you should be able to do it. Okay? Clear? Okay. Should I now? Okay. Yes, sir. I think the concept is clear to you all. If any problem, you raise the problem. Just raise your hand and ask. Now the one more question I am taking. Okay, where numerals are not there. Okay, so that it should be clear to you. Let us suppose I am taking the third question. 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square equal to b. Suppose this is the question and you have to find out the value of x. So here you can do the factorization. So for these type of question we will apply Dharachat formula. Okay, so first of all we will compare it with your standard equation. What is standard equation? This is your standard equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is your standard quadratic equation. Okay. Now we will compare it. So compare it. What will be there? A will be 4. B will be minus 4a. And c will be a square minus b. All of you Got the point? How will you compare? A equal to 4, B equal to minus 4A, and C equal to A square minus B square. Clear questions? Now apply the formula. So what is the formula? X equal to minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4A upon 4AC upon 2. Now I will put the values in this formula. Directly put it. Minus BB is there, so minus minus will become plus. 4A plus minus under root. The square of this, it will be 16A square minus 4 into A is 4, C. A square minus. Okay, put it, and upon 2 into A is 4. Clear, children? Okay. Now simplify it further, so we will get the answer. Simplify it. What will be there? 4A plus minus under root. This is 16A square minus 16A square plus, this is minus minus plus, so 16B square upon 4 to the 8. Clear? Now, so look here, it will be cancelled. So what will be left? It will be 4A plus minus under root 16B square upon 8. Till here it is clear, children? Okay, now solve it. What is the square root of 16? Anyone? Yes, very good. So square root of 16 is 4 and B square is B, so it will be 4. Further simplify it, what will we get? So 4A plus minus 4B upon 8. Now two values are there. 4A plus 4B upon 8, and second value is 4A minus 4B upon 8. Now simplify it further, what will you get? So 4 is common, take common, A plus B upon 8. Similarly here 4 is common, A minus B upon 8. So this will be cancelled out, A plus B upon 2. Clear? And here again A minus B upon 2. So this is the solution of this type questions. So do in your copy. Children, I hope that to do the homework. Okay, I am giving you a few questions so that you should be able to solve it. Okay? Do it fast. Okay, now I am giving you one homework, and remaining questions you have to do from your textbook. Clear? Side by side, attempt the same questions of ICSC board which are coming. Clear? Let us suppose the equation is this: 2x square plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. How will you solve it? Okay? So solve it. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, similarly do the question from your textbook, and any problem ask me. Okay, children, I hope that you liked it. So if you liked it, subscribe it and share it. Okay, thank you. Now next day I will explain you the new topic that is based on remainder theorem. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.